Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Whatever time y'all are tuning in, I certainly appreciate y'all are here. Today's video, guys, we're going to be opening up a package all the way from Missouri. It's his third package from Mr. Justin Hillman. I believe that's right. Let me make sure I'm getting his name right. Justin Hillman. I'm bad with names, y'all. And also, I'm going to be repairing his grandfather's knife for him. This right here is a Frontier made by Imperial. It looks just like a Schrade LB7 is all. And here we have a Schrade LB7. It's just a parts knife. You see that blade? It don't really lock good. The blade is wore out. But what works good is this spring here that pushes up this this back lock here. There's a little spring. It kind of looks like a leaf spring. It fits in this back and pushes up and keeps tension on this locking spring here. But you got to press down. But so what we got to do is take this pin out, punch it out, and remove this this back spring here to get that leaf spring out of here, because it's broke. Then we got to do the same with this. Take the good leaf spring out of here and put in this knife. And then replace that pin. So it should be fairly easy. You just got to be careful. You just don't need to mess up the wood handles, the wood scales. It's easy to tear up. It's easy to mess up. I just want to thank y'all for tuning in today, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, here's the box. We're fixing to open it up. See what Mr. Justin sent and Tanner. I'm opening it up with a Spyderco Dragonfly made in Siki City, Japan. Check this out, guys. All right, Justin, I appreciate this hat, man, and stickers, y'all. I don't have none of his stickers. I'm going to have to send him one of mine. He gave me 4 of them. I appreciate this, buddy. I'm going to put this up on the wall of fame and put this in my sticker stash. It's a nice hat, buddy. I don't have no hats right now, but when I get some made, I'll send you one. How about that? Read the note. Dear Mr. Kevin, from the boys at Rubidoux Creek Outdoors, thank you for all you do to help people. Well, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. We have included some knives for auction. Please put them to good use. Thanks for being a friend. Thank you for your service. Godspeed. God bless USA. Well, Justin, I appreciate that, buddy. And I want to thank you for your service, and I want to thank Tanner for what he does on your channel. He's a good little dude. It's Outback, y'all. Whoa, I know what this one is. That's very nice. These will be going in my next auction. I'm probably going to not have another auction, guys, till probably August. Just letting y'all know. Just letting y'all know that my next auction probably won't be till August. This is Frost Cutlery. Nice knife. Very nice. German. Wow. That's pretty cool right there now. Yes, sir. These will go well in the auction. Justin, I appreciate it, buddy. Very nice. Oh. They're made in Pakistan, but they seem to be well made. Yeah, we can put these in the auction, buddy. Thank you for that. Let's see. He told me what this is. This is a, I think he said a ZT. Golly. The ZT knife. Never heard of these. Wow. Ken Onion design. Made in the USA. Yes, sirree. We'll put this one in auction too, buddy. Spring assisted. Very nice. Very nice knife. Awesome. Thank you for these, buddy. Appreciate this. Appreciate the stickers. Appreciate the hat, man. And I will be putting these in the next auction. And speaking of auctions, guys, I probably won't be doing one till sometime the end of July or the first part of August. I just have a lot of things that's going on. I want to try to get my shop done or a lot done here in the next month or two. So I'm going to take a break on the auctions for a little while, and we'll get back to them here sometime the end of July or the first part of August. But thank all y'all who participated. Appreciate it so much. So I'm going to clear these out of the way, and we're going to get started working on his granddaddy's knife. Justin and Tanner sent those knives and gifts all the way from Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri. Their third package, 717 miles away. Justin and Tanner, I appreciate everything. I appreciate y'all supporting the channel. God bless y'all. And I got y'all up on the Wall of Fame. Again, guys, y'all go check out Rubidoux Creek Outdoors. Great channel, great guys. Thank y'all again, man. Appreciate everything. I love this little old knife here. I redid the point on this thing. If you didn't know it, you couldn't even tell it was done. Look at that edge right there. Ain't that awesome? Very cool knife. Love this little thing. So easy to open too. I think Spyderco has the best opening knives that there are. Just so easy, even the small ones. It's mainly because that big old hole they got in the blade. Love it, really do. And I love my Spyderco paramilitary too. Just so easy to open and close with one hand. Love these. That weight has made me fall in love with USA made Spydercos. Okay, guys. These are the knives I'm going to be working on. I'm going to take this one apart and use this leaf spring. I don't know what you call it, but I call it a little leaf spring. It's just a bar that fits in the back of this knife that pushes up. It keeps this lock spring in place while the blade is locked. See it pushing up right now, and there's a little bar in there. You see it right there? I'll show y'all. We're going to grind the head of that pin down and push it out. And then we're going to remove this back spring, remove the bar. Then we're going to do the same thing with this, but then we're going to remove that broken piece and put the new bar from this knife in. And put everything back together, replace that pin. I don't know if it's going to be as smooth as that one when I get done, but it might be a little bump there. So we're going to get it done. There it is. Alright. There's the lock spring. See, there's that bar right there. Reminds me of a leaf spring. It just pulls out, see? Just like that. Now we got to do the same thing to this one. But this one should be easier to grind because it's a brass pin. I just hope there's enough broken where I can grab it and pull it out. So now we got to get that pin out right there. I'm going to use the Dremel this time. Just like that. Alright. back spring. For that one, we're going to clean every part up. Guys, I've encountered a problem. You see that right there? A crack right there. And that bar just ain't enough to grab. You see that right there? There's a little crack right there where the bar goes in. See that? So, the only other alternative is I took this knife apart and I got this piece out, which will fit in there along with this bar, but I can't find the pins. That's the only thing that I'm worried about. I don't know where the pins are at. Cannot see the pins like this here. Here you can see the pins, but back here I couldn't. Okay, I got the knife apart. That's why you couldn't find the pins, because they're not really pins. They're made to lock in. And you see, here is the problem. This pin was broke right here. And this is broke too, see? So, this will come out. This is how you learn, guys, right here. You know this piece is bad. You see how cheap that looks? So, it's kind of a good thing, because we're going to clean this thing up. Might have to, I have to go sand this down and get this pin out of here. Okay, guys, I just got off the phone with Justin, or Rubidoux Outdoors, and let him know what's going on, that there was a problem with this piece, so I had to break it all the way down to actually get this piece out. But I thought it would be like the Schrade LB7, but it ain't. As you can see, this is the bar that come out of the LB7, and that's the part from the Imperial Frontier. I think it's a 4815, or yeah, 4815 right there. I told him there wasn't a model number on there, but it is. It's a 4815. I looked on eBay already. I haven't found a parts knife, but I'll continue to look. But even if I'd have got that piece out, guys, this piece would not have worked, because see, that piece is like curved. It's supposed to fit in there just like that, and this pushes up on that lock spring right here. See, it's made to go right in there. See here? Made to go right there, and then this here see, that's made to lock in place, which this is the Frontier blade. You can see it's even different from the LB7. So, but that's how it's supposed to go. But this is more like a straight bar on this part here. So this is what you run into sometimes, guys. I mean, I've never taken a Frontier apart. Now I know why I couldn't see the pins, because they were hidden. And they're about like an Ulster knife, where the pins on the bolsters are hidden. They're actually go in there and they slide down and lock. You know what I mean? Like this is the pin here. See that head right there? It's made to go in that hole right here and slide down and lock in place. Can't get that one to slide down, but yeah, it's supposed to go down and lock like that in place and hold this piece in. But this is what you run into, but it's fun, you know. You tear them apart and you learn, you know. So now I know how Imperial 4815 works. Well, there you are, guys. That's just a little case in point that every repair don't go as planned. You never know what you're going to run into when you get in there. And I thought it was going to be an easy job, but the LB7 is made a little bit different than an Imperial Frontier 4815. They look alike. They look like everything will line up, but It's the internal parts that are made slightly different. And I can understand that. I really can. But guys, I hope y'all learned something today, and I hope you enjoyed the video, even though I didn't get to finish repairing this knife. But I've already talked to Justin, and I'm just going to put this in one of my cubby holes in one of my bins and wait till I find a parts knife for it. If any of y'all have one out there that's got a broke blade or a messed up handle, but we need the spring intact, it's the Frontier Imperial 4815. It looks like an LB7, a Schrade Lockback 7. I'll be glad to buy it from y'all to finish this repair. I'll be looking on eBay, and Justin said he'll be looking for one. So y'all let me know if y'all have one. And guys, if y'all get a chance, y'all go check out Rubidoux Outdoors. That's Justin and Tanner. They have a channel, an outdoor channel. They review knives. They hunt for knives. He's got some nice knives over there on that channel. Y'all go check them out. Y'all subscribe. Tell them the doctor sent you. I appreciate it. But he is a 21-year veteran. Still in the Army, guys. He's still in. And he's just an amazing guy. He's a great guy to talk to. He says it himself. He never meets a stranger. He loves to talk. So y'all go check Justin and Tanner out over there on Rubidoux Outdoors. I appreciate it. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. And I just want to say God bless y'all. Till we meet again, guys. Y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.